The Archaeological Survey of India discovered a 1,300-year-old stupa.
Right in the middle of a mining site in Odisha's Jajpur district at a Khondalite mining site.
A stupa is a relic-filled mound or hemispheric structure used for meditation. From the Vedic time onwards, stupas were used as burial mounds in India. Stupas consist of a cylindrical drum with a circular anda and a Harmika and a Chhatra on the top. Anda, hemispherical mound. Buddha's remains was kept inside the mound. Harmika, square railing on top of the mound. Chhatra, central pillar supporting a triple umbrella form. The stupa was capped by a wooden railing that encircled a Pradakshina walkway. The core of the stupa was made of unburnt brick while the outer surface was made by using burnt bricks, which were then covered with a thick layer of plaster and Medhi, and the Toran were decorated with wooden sculptures.